Good afternoon. Today is Saturday, March 4th, and I hope you're having a blessed day. Today, the doggies and I are working on my dad's 2001 Chevy Blazer. And why do you see all these strange lines and everything? Well, these are part of a custom brake system I designed that kind of needs overhauled a bit. So I took all the lines off, the proportioning valve off, pretty much everything that you can remove from the brake system is essentially right here. So the plan is for this segment is to take the brake parts cleaner got from O'Reilly's. Not sponsored, but hey, if you guys would like, I sure would appreciate it. So here we have the rear calipers, and I did pull the bleed screws. Now, all in all, these look pretty okay. The one thing I'm not happy about is this one is dry, whereas this one was wet. So I'm not sure about the flow issues, flow rates on that. On this one is the driver's side front, and it looks good. Bleed screw hole came out wet. I have no worries. This is going to be a good unit. Then we come to this. This is a passenger or front right. And wow, the chrome's flaking off. It's rusted. There's no way that's going to last. So I went ahead and ordered a replacement for that. Good thing we have warranties. So let's commence to spraying some brake parts cleaner and see what kind of flow we get. Although we don't want none no ant flow. Sorry, bad joke. But hey, that's part of the fun of this channel is, I'm independent. This is like one of my projects, so let's have fun. We'll make fun. We'll do what we need to do, and yeah. Now I hope you guys can see. Oops, too high. Yeah, about that. Okay. And let's see which caliber. Okay, so now I know where my range is. Let's see. I think I'm actually going to start with the hard lines because these calipers are going to take a lot to flush out. Let's see. Are you guys? Ow. You guys watching with me? Watch out, Nookie. Tell me when you see it, if I can drop. Ooh, I think there was a spurt. Awesome. That line is clean. Now we're going to set it here off camera so we can separate the ones we know have been cleaned from the ones that haven't. Let's do a brake hose this time. I'm actually going to do this end. Now this is the brake hose for the passenger side, so did it contribute to the brake problems? We'll find out. Oh, getting Real good flow. Yep. Okay. So that brake hose is not the problem. Okay. Next hard line. Okay, we're getting sputters, but it should be flowing pretty good. Ooh. Okay. There we go. That one's flushed. Yeah, we'll do this long one next. It's gonna need another flare. That's alright. We know how to do flares on this channel. Now this one's gonna come right at you guys, so watch out. Ooh! Oh. Yeah, let me back that up. My cigarettes are right there, but did you see that brown? That brown crap that came out? Oh my goodness. Let me back that up a little. Alright, let's do this again, shall we? Alright. So there's that one. And now we come to the proportioning valve. Which this one's kind of unique to flush because we have these two ports that go up to the master cylinder. This one feeds the back brakes, and then these two are for the front brakes. Specifically, this one's for the driver's side, and then this goes to the passenger side. But let's see what we can get out of it. Let's try backflow first. I don't know which way it's going to come out, so... Ooh. There we go. Yeah. Yay, got good flow there. Which means this one should come out here. Assuming everything's all correct and working. Alright, so that's good. That has good flow. Let's move on to the calipers. So we're gonna do them in order. So let's start with this one. Well, put a little fur in it and I could find the hole. There we go. Deep as she can go. Oh yeah. That one's good. Set that to the side. Candidate number 2 coming up. Let's see. Yep, that one's good. Okay, last one. Driver's front. Ready for it? Let's go. Oh, yeah. Okay, ease up on that pressure, though. What I'm trying to do is fill the whole reservoir. There we go. Alright, oh, forgot a brake line. Can't forget any of them now. So what I'm doing up on here is just clean it out, stick the straw in, press the button, and there we go. Alright, now it's basically time to reassemble everything. Yay!
Like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.